right, so today our customers here in Arlington Heights recently purchased this home behind me, and they're looking to do some major improvements to their concrete. They really don't want to invest money in a total replacement, which would really be a fortune, but they want to really improve it, so they called us, and I think we're going to do an awesome job for them here. You could see their front walkway is down about 4 or 5 inches, a huge step up to their front porch. Along the side of their house, their walkway is down a great deal, pitched towards the house. Again, all of their water's going towards their foundation there. And then if you go look in the backyard, massive patio, cracked, sunken towards the house, major water that flows towards their house every time it rains, huge step up. The concrete overall is pretty dirty, pretty cracked. So we're gonna do our 4-step concrete renewal on this project. We're gonna lift all the slabs, we're gonna power wash it, we're gonna caulk it, and we're gonna seal it all today. It's gonna be amazing. This is gonna be a tremendous transformation. Watch till the end. I think it's gonna blow your mind. All right, so we're back on the job. I'm eager to see the results of what we did here, and I'm already seeing that this sidewalk looks awesome. It's amazing what we can do to concrete. If you remember, that sidewalk as you approach the porch was down about 4 or 5 inches. Those guys got it raised up, and they also had to raise every other section leading up to the whole sidewalk, had to come up so that we maintain the same slope throughout. Power washed it. The guys sealed up all the cracks with some nice silicone that you can't even see, and then we patched the holes and sealed it. This looks great. Guys did a good job. Let's go check out the back. So let's check out the sidewalk, and this is pretty impressive, I gotta say. I mean, if you think back to how this looked, you know, when we started this project, this whole thing was sunken, pitched towards the house, dirt just caked on it. I mean, these guys lifted this quite a bit. I mean, probably a good 4 or 5 inches along the house. It's now pitched away from the house instead of towards the house. Cracks have been sealed. Awesome job, just nice and clean and sharp. Now let's go look at the patio. Wow, look at this. I mean, is this the same house? This is amazing. Again, going back to where we started with this, I mean, this patio was pitched, half of it was, you know, this big nasty crack down the middle, cracked, pitched towards the house. Every time it rained, water flowed towards the house. I'm sure the sump pump was just overworked. Now everything is pitched the right way. It's been cleaned. It's been, all the cracks have been sealed up. There's been a sealer applied to the surface of it. I mean, this is a perfect job. Really happy with the results of this one. And I gotta tell you, I mean, our guys did an amazing job, and the customer is happy as well. Now, we started Concrete Hero because I felt that there was a huge need for people to extend the life of their concrete versus go through a replacement. This is a good example of the type of customer I had in mind when I started Concrete Hero. These people just moved into this house. They have so many things they want to do to the house. Spending $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on new concrete is at the bottom of their priorities. However, as you saw, their concrete didn't look so great, and it was actually unsafe, and it was creating some water problems. So by hiring someone like us to come in here and lift it, clean it, seal it, caulk it, I mean, we were able to provide them with a low-cost, easy, hassle-free way to really extend the life out of it. I mean, they could get another 10 years out of this concrete, no problem. And they could put that money that they were gonna spend on new concrete somewhere else, most likely in the home. With that being said, we're all done. Time to save some more concrete.